Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Mania. Let's see in this format. There are the column and there are the numbers. There are three digits, but we want to see in each digit before one. To randomly we select. It take more time, but we want to use a shortcut Excel trick to how to use this. Let's select the all data. Go to more number formats. Go to custom. Delete all general. Type 1, then press 3 times 0, because in this data we see there are 999, there are 3 digits. Then press OK. Let's see, the result is here. Please subscribe my channel, like and share this video.